Hey everyone, it's Erin from Florida Drone Supply, and this is part 2 of sharing everything you need to know about the latest firmware update for the ACSL SOTEN. In addition to major firmware updates we covered in part 1, the ACSL takeoff ground control application, the aircraft, compatible payloads, and the battery are seeing improvements which will elevate your flying experience. Let's go over the list of improvements you will see in the ACSL takeoff application. First, we have improved English translations of all warning, caution, and alert messages. Weak radio signal detection and GPS multipath risk detection with user-settable thresholds have been added. Image and video file encryption keys can be generated and saved locally using the soon-to-be-released ACSL SnapSafe app. Flight logs can now be converted to CSV format and can be saved to an unprotected folder to transfer from the mobile device. A threshold setting has been added to smooth the flight path for corridor and survey missions. The upper limit for descent speed has been relaxed from the upper limit increasing from 2 to 3 meters per second. And lastly, messages related to the camera SD card to clarify errors have been revised and new were added. Moving on to the improvements that have been taken into consideration for the aircraft itself. The SOTEN now features automatic calibration of the stereo cameras. Misalignment of the stereo cameras is automatically detected and recalibrated. During recalibration, the warning message, "Position Control Disabled," may be displayed for a few seconds. Monitor the aircraft for unusual or unexpected motion. There is also improved detection of abnormal aircraft position estimation. If an abnormality in aircraft position estimation is detected, the warning message, "Position Estimation Error," is displayed. To prevent unintended navigation by the aircraft, the control mode will automatically switch to manual mode. Additionally, a new feature has been added to prevent inadvertent stick inputs when transitioning from autoflight. For safety reasons, when switching from an automatic mode to position or manual mode, stick inputs will be ignored until the sticks are centered. Lastly, for processing images using Pix4D, there are improved results for images captured with RTK. You will also see improvements in the payloads offered by ACSL that can be used with the SOTEN. For the CX GB200 EO-IR combo, camera videos recorded using only optical camera can now be recorded in 4K and 2.7K. And for the CX GB300 multispectral camera, the NDVI color map specification has been changed and additional sensor mode settings have been added. The last improvement ACSL has made is regarding the aircraft battery. The self-discharge function can now be manually initiated, and the initial self-diagnosis function has been expanded. There are a few things to keep in mind when updating your SOTEN to the new firmware. When updating using the controller, be sure to remove the SD card and uninstall the Takeoff app before reinstalling the latest Takeoff app. Then perform the aircraft firmware update procedure. When the SOTEN aircraft is updated with the firmware that is included with this version of Takeoff, some of the aircraft settings will be automatically reset to their default values. Any previous changes to those aircraft settings will not be retained. If you wish to keep the current settings, make a record of these settings prior to the update and re-enter those settings after the update. That's everything we have on this major update from ACSL. Update your SOTEN now and elevate your drone operations. If you have any questions, give us a call at 855-8-DRONES or visit us online at floridronesupply.com. As always, thank you for watching and enjoy your flight.